Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints left from the swipe and balloon dip, and they have silicone in it, so I just think, okay, I will just play a little bit with that. So so I will do I will use this spider strainer again, and I will do straight pouring pour. I will just layer some of those paints in, and because they have silicone oil, I do expect some cells. I started with titanium white, and this is permanent blue violet, and this one is Amsterdam turquoise blue, and I have Arties colors, Phthalo, cyan. I see a blob of paint, and this one is Windsor Newton pale violet and magenta from Vallejo. And I will add white again. Okay, let's put my strainer on. Okay. As I said, I have silicone oil in this paint, so I will just pour this pale violet around for a flow extender, and then I will spin it, and then I will torch, because I don't want I want nice cells, round cells, so okay, so let's just tilt this a little bit first, just because it was totally off-centered. Okie doke. Or maybe a little quick spin and then torch and then spin, especially here up in the middle. Let's spin that. Okay, and now I will torch. God, Cell City. Whew. didn't expect that at all. Too muddy in the middle, I think. So let's do a little flip cup in the middle of that, because I don't like that with some paints that I have left. So I will just put the paint into the cup. So sometimes your experiments just don't work. Okay. Have a lot of paint still on the canvas, so this time I will just tilt that. So let's torch this now. Oops. Really not sure about this whole thing. This experiment definitely didn't turn out as I hope so. Let's tilt a little bit more to stretch some cells. This magenta part here. Okay. Now I have to tilt that weird looking cells off. Back to the middle. Maybe I will do some finger dips. Okay. I will do some balloon dips. Decided definitely want to do one here because I don't like this part. So here is a close-up. I will say that I like it at the end. I even like this magenta lacing here. Like the kisses, like the colors. I like how this blue and turquoise look together. This purple and this little flower there. So since it was pretty much a fail, I will say that I think that I saved it by the balloon kisses. So, and I like the composition too, even though there it's a lot of cells, but still, like this spot here that gives some interest to the painting. So this is it for today. So I tried today to do something. So I will say that I'm happy with the result anyway. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.